the tale of Vishnu's Avatara. In ancient times, the earth was plagued by evil forces. The gods appealed to Lord Vishnu, the preserver, to save the world. Vishnu agreed and took various avatars to restore balance and justice. As Matsya, the fish, he saved the world from a great flood. As Kurma, the tortoise, he helped the gods churn the ocean of milk to obtain the nectar of immortality. As Varaha, the boar, he defeated the demon Hiranyaksha and lifted the earth from the depths of the ocean. As Narasimha, the half-man, half-lion, he defeated the demon Hiranyakashyap and saved his devotee, Prahlad. As Vamana, the dwarf, he defeated the demon king Bali and restored the gods to their rightful place. As Parashuram, the warrior sage, he defeated the evil kings and restored justice. As Rama, the prince of Ayodhya, he defeated the demon king Ravana and restored justice and righteousness. And as Krishna, he taught the world the path of duty, love, and wisdom. As Buddha, the enlightened one, he taught the world the path of wisdom and inner peace. Through his avatars, Vishnu showed that even in the darkest times, hope and salvation are always possible. The end.